Привет, привет! Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha and I'm here to help you to learn the Russian language and to know more about Russian culture and mentality. Давайте начнем. I asked ChatGPT for a list of the 100 most commonly used Russian nouns. In this video series, I explain how to pronounce each word, explain the nuances of the usage, and give examples. You can find a link to flashcards with these words in the description of this video. This is the part number 4. If you missed the first 3 parts, go and watch them. And let's get started. Давайте начнем. So, the first word for today is сын. Сын. For example, старший сын, младший сын. Pay attention to the plural form. Сын, сыновья. Let's also learn which forms of this word we will use after numbers. Один сын, два, три, четыре сына, 5, 6, 20 сыновей. The next word. Слово номер 2. История. История. This word means a subject of study. For example, история России. Or another example, в школе я любила уроки истории. But this word also means a story. For example, сейчас я читаю короткие истории на испанском. The next word is небо. Небо. O is unstressed here, so we pronounce it like Небо. Небо. Perfect. And memorize that this word is neuter. Небо, оно. For example, она посмотрела наверх и увидела голубое небо. The next word is взгляд. Взгляд. Yes, I know, 4 consonants together can be challenging to pronounce, but I'm sure you will manage to do it. Let's be optimistic today and note that there is only one vowel in this word, which makes it easier to know where the stress is, right? Взгляд. So, the word взгляд can mean a look. For example, ее серьезный взгляд показал ему, что она не в настроении смеяться. The word взгляд can also mean a point of view, an opinion. For example, у нас разные взгляды на воспитание детей. You can also find this word in the phrase «на мой взгляд». На мой взгляд, тебе не идет этот цвет. Let's move on. The next word is закон. Закон. Закон жизни, закон природы. With this noun, we use the verbs соблюдать, нарушать. For example, он нарушил закон и получил штраф 50 тысяч рублей. Слово номер 6. The word number 6. Комната. Комната. I think you are already familiar with this word. So it denotes space in an apartment or in a house. But also we can use this word as a synonym for спальня. For example, например, в выходные она предпочитает оставаться в комнате, там она читает и слушает музыку. The next word is мир. Мир. This word can mean the world. Remember in the second part we had the word свет, and we had an example. Лучшая мама на свете. So we can say лучшая в мире мама. Or лучшая мама в мире. Another meaning of this word is peace. This is what we need. There is a Soviet phrase or slogan which uses this word in both of its meaning. Миру мир. Миру мир. The next word is Atet. Atet. The unstressed O is pronounced as A. Atet. Atet. So you know the word papa. The word papa is more colloquial. The children and girls use it more often. Adults tend to use the word Atet more often. So it's up to everyone to choose which word to use. But for me, the word Atet shows the bigger distance between a parent and a child. So the next word is ночь. Ночь. This word ends in the soft sign, so it's important to remember the gender. Ночь, она, feminine. So, for example, теплая ночь. And in the accusative case, the word doesn't change. Каждую ночь я думаю о жизни. So we changed каждую, but didn't change ночь. And we use the form ночью when answering the question когда. For example, ночью я читаю, а утром хочу спать. And the last word for today is Sila. Sila. You may have heard the word сильный. So сильный is an adjective, Sila is a noun. I would like to give you a common phrase with this word. Sila духа. For example, его сила духа и оптимизм помогли ему пережить эту сложную ситуацию. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Support me with a like and subscription and see you next time. Увидимся. Пока-пока.